So, today, we're going to be talking about
guyz.
Yeah, but we would actually have to get the dog stuff.
Pedro, get out.
Okay, so their best score can be a 2. Their medium score can be a 1, and if they don't do anything, they get a 0. Now, we have taken the treat, and I'm gonna put it under the blanket. Now go for it. Find it. Lift up the blanket if you have to. Okay, I'll help you. We can clearly see that this dog is more stupid. Okay. I'm just gonna push you. Okay, get it. Let's get it. It's under here. We can clearly see that both of them are stupid. And right now, none of them got a point because none of them found the treat.
Losers.
Okay, so the next challenge for them is we have to take a treat and put it under one of these cups. So I'm going to put the treat under this cup. Go get it. Go, I don't have it. Move the cup. Clearly about that one. So you got 2 options. These dogs are stupid. I thought you would win.
I think Lizzie's like, I know the answer.
Well, you kept smelling the first one, and you picked the first one. You lose. And this cup, okay, so you're gonna turn around for 30 seconds because you already saw it. Okay, go get it, go get it. She moved it, she won. She clearly won.
Thanks for watching. Powwow power. Bye.